Welcome to Iron Horse Garage. I'm Marco. This is Glenn. This is Heidi. And today we're going to show you the complicated process of doing wiring on your airbag system. So Arco and Heidi are on their way. They're about 3 hours away from arriving in Idaho, and we're trying to make room in the shop. How's the progress coming on cleaning out the...
Hey, you should have seen this place before. Well, what do you think?
I hear air pumping into the tanks.
That's a good thing.
Ah, shut it down, shut it down. Stop the camera.
It is now.
Well, we ran into a little issue back there. Now we have to fix it.
That's what we do. We fix things. We got this. We could fit approximately 3 Jasons in the trunk from the looks of it.
No trunk can hold me.
So what do you got to do there?
Got to insert the drain valve.
Because as funny as it sounds, not only does a drain valve drain air, but it also holds it in.
Just don't let your connections touch each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got it figured out this time. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and hope it doesn't catch on fire.
Okay.
Go ahead and connect it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
Check out that bad boy. Check out that bad boy.
Let me know when you want me to key in.
Go for it.
Alright, here we go. Music to my ears.
Now we're going to pressure.
Alright. Hey, this is kind of cool, man.
So right now we got about 120 pounds. Pretty good clearance.
We're on.
We just got here from Minnesota. Me and Heidi drove over here, brought this truck with us and this bike, and we're gonna unload this bike in the truck, and we are at Iron Horse Garage. And what do you want to say?
I want to say hello.
But it'll be pretty cool. We're gonna be ripping this truck apart, building this truck together as a collaboration. So if you guys want to watch our videos and watch the series, the build or whatever, and we'll be doing this as a collaboration videos and whatever. And then I like how the girls are sneaking out of here. But it was a long trip, kind of miserable. It sucked, but then we're gonna try to work on it so that we have Iron Horse Garage go to our shop and work, and vice versa. We come here and work, and we'll be doing that every so many weeks or whatever. And can I go ahead and tell them about the channel?
Yep.
And then we are starting a new YouTube channel, and we will make sure and post the link and everything for that channel. And that's Iron Outlaws is the name of that channel. And so you guys stay tuned for that. And obviously it'll be Aaron, Jason, William, and me, and Heidi, and whoever else. That'll be. And Glenn Ridd, yeah, Glenn Ridd is also part of this, you guys. We're trying to get him here from New Zealand as soon as we can, and we'll kind of go from there,
So that's the surprise. Surprise. We're gonna be yep, everything he said.
It should be a blast. But I am absolutely wiped out. Like I said, it's been a long trip, and we're actually gonna go back to the shop and start doing some work right now after we get this truck unloaded and the bike unloaded and get stuff put away and whatever for the night. Let's get to work.
Right now we're backing her out of the shop, and we're gonna pull in another truck. We're gonna take it around the block here for a test drive. Just watch me that way. I'm gonna crank it this way and pull forward.
Got to do a 30-point turn to get out of here.
This is a land yacht.
Hey, we got that concrete. Are we up all the way? I better get out and do some weight reduction. There you go. Gotta throw some air in the bags to get over this little concrete slump here.
Concrete.
Woohoo!
Don't rip off the exhaust. He's a tail dragger.
So we did have to get a new radiator and fan. We won't tell you why, but I will give you a clue. Something might have happened, and we're a bit ashamed, so that's all you get. So we're right on the final stages of having this done. We do have a couple air leaks, so Jason's gonna go and spritz a little bit of water and find out where the leaks are, and we'll get them taken care of.
It's too hard to get this big bottle back there to squirt stuff up, making everything completely soaking wet. So this little tiny bottle helps get close to the fittings. Identified one for sure. Yeah, that doesn't mean that there aren't more. So. 4th valve back. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here. leaking. You seal it with gas tape, it stays sealed. Getting her fixed, hopefully. This side wasn't leaking, but that I could tell anyways. But I'm gonna go ahead and redo it while I have it out, just to make sure, because this is getting to be a pain in the butt. Well, we're finally done with this project. We sorted out most of the quick leaks and got it sorted out. We actually had to pull one bag out and the top of the bag fixed. And then built some quick bracketry. He's gonna build some speaker boxes and stuff and covers to go all around this, I guess. So let him sort all that out. Had to build the wiring basically completely for this. Run ignition wires and build the harness basically all the way back for it, because it didn't come with all the parts needed, so we just went ahead and built all the wiring. Other than that, I don't know what to say. Job completed, and out the door and on to the next one.
Boat away.
Taking a cruise.